Hello everyone, welcome to Crack Government Job YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get notification instantly. In this video, we will discuss about Ccras Ldc UDC result, especially UDC related some important points. After declaration of Ccras result and merit list on official website, UDC aspirants are getting confused. So watch this video till end and your all doubt regarding Ccras result will be clear. So in this video, we will discuss mainly 5 points. These are UDC final merit list declared or not, next test for UDC, solution regarding UDC merit list, LDC typing test date and LDC typing test venue. If you go to the official recruitment site of Ccras, you can see here for LDC, Ccras declared everything including cut-off marks and list of qualified candidates for typing test. But in case of UDC, here you see merit list, and if you click here, then you can see here post upper division clerk, serial number, roll number, category. But in this PDF there is nothing related to merit list. If you go to the bottom of this PDF, then you can see here total 16,052 candidate list. So how can you call this list as merit list? This is not merit list. So first point is clear now that Ccras have not declared UDC merit list yet. Actually, what is merit list for UDC? UDC merit list means list of qualified candidates eligible for document verification. There are total 14 posts for UDC, so Ccras will call at least 30 candidates for document verification. When Ccras declared LDC cutoff marks, at the same time they should declare UDC cutoff mark also. But till that time I made this video, there is nothing related to UDC cutoff in the official site of Ccras. So what should we do now? On screen you see an email address, so you can send email requesting to declare UDC cutoff marks and list of candidate eligible for document verification. Very congratulations to the selected candidate for the LDC typing test. Before typing test, Ccras will upload a detailed notification regarding typing test schedule. As you know, your typing speed for English typing should be 35 WPM, and for Hindi typing, your speed 30 WPM. You can expect typing test date in the last of November month or in the first half of January. So keep practicing for typing test regularly. As and when Ccras released any new notification, I will inform you. So please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also to get notification instantly. Thanks for watching this video.